Today I have a quick little repair to show you guys on a 2019 GMC Denali or Yukon. We have a bad latch for the center console. Unfortunately, these are plastic and they'll move and separate inside, and you won't be able to open it unless you really know how to pinch it on the inside here with your finger. So grab the tools and I'll show you how to replace that within a few minutes. Alright, so what you'll need is a trim pry bar. You'll need a Phillips and a T20 bit. It's like a star bit, but it's used more for focus. The camera can't focus. Anyway, so let's show you. Let me set up the camera so I can. Alright, so what you want to do is slowly pry on the unit until you get it to pop. And you have to do it on both sides. There's 6 around the perimeter, and then there's another 4 on the inside, so you gotta kind of pull gently all the way around until they all separate. Like so. Just give it a good firm tug like that. As you can see, you have quite a few clips here. And then what you gotta do is use your 220, loosen the 2 here. You don't have to take them all the way out. And then you take your Phillips head. There's one here. And you want to take that one completely out. And then you can tug on this and get it to wiggle out. Like so. So there's your old one. And like I said, on the inside of these, they'll separate. And unless you push on that with your finger, which hurts, you won't be able to open your center console. So now we got the new one. Which looks good. I'm going to go ahead and slide it back in. Oh. Like that. Put your Phillips screw back in. T20s, tighten those. Okay. Put this back in. Now, test it. There you go. That's how you replace your latch on your center console